Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Plex TV versus Jellyfin.org. Now if you don't know what these two are, Plex TV is a media server that streams your content with a polished interface and optional remote access, plus some paid features. And Jellyfin, on the other hand, is a truly free or fully free open source media server with no subscriptions or tracking, ideal for privacy-conscious users. Now let's go over the pros and cons of each. So the pros of Plex is that it is easy to set up and use, and it is great remote access and mobile apps. Now the downside of it, or the cons of it, is that it has some features locked behind a paywall, and it sends usage data unless disabled. So your usage data might be compromised unless you disable it. Now let's go over the pros and cons of Jellyfin right here. So the pros of Jellyfin is that it's 100% free and open source, and it has no tracking or ads. Now the cons of it is that setup may need more effort, and it has fewer official apps than Plex. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Plex for ease of use and polished apps, and choose Jellyfin if you want full control and no recurring costs. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.